So what's the difference between prefabricated saunas and custom cut? It's an excellent question. We deal with a large manufacturer in our industry known as Saunas, and they offer a couple different sauna styles. A prefabricated sauna is much like what you see right here. It's been built by the manufacturer, it comes in a series of pieces, it goes out to the home, and it gets installed as the size that it was built in. Custom cut sauna is a little bit more intricate. It's typically using a space or an area of square footage inside the home that's been framed out and prepared, and a kit is built by the sauna manufacturer that specifically fits all of that space inside the room. The heater is appropriately sized, and all of the components and benches that you need for the sauna are incorporated into that kit as well. It's a neat process, it's a fun process to build a custom cut sauna out. The manufacturer works with us to provide CAD drawings and work with you to find what you're looking for your sauna to do, whether you're looking for a traditional style sauna heating system or an infrared style sauna heating system. Talk to one of our sales professionals and we're happy to kind of walk through the different options and find what's best for your needs.